Hi everyone, here's Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. Hope everyone is doing well. If you're new to this channel, I basically just review watches, unbox watches. Sometimes I have sponsored watches, companies that send me watches, then I have to send back, or send me watches that I don't have to send it back. Of course, I say that beforehand. This is one of the watches that I buy on Amazon. There is this program on Amazon that you buy now and pay later. Don't worry, I just heard myself. If you're wondering also about the new setup, I moved into a new house, and it's the first injuries, or actually one of the first injuries that I had. So today's unboxing is a Citizen Eco Drive. As you all know, I'm on the look for the best Eco Drive under 150 euros. So this could be one to add to my collection. Let's see. Oh, that looks really nice. That looks really cool. The blue goes out, and quite well, I have to say, because I'm wearing another blue watch as well. So let's see. Take the stickers off. Take the stickers off as well. Let me pause. So here we go. The watch now is on my wrist. Nice. It's an Eco Drive. As you can see, I have the blue dial. Let me take this off. Nice. Put this here. Actually looks quite cool. Really nice. So the bracelet, as you all know, is for me always a throwaway bracelet. So here's the watch. Let me set up the time. It's around 12:40. Date, I think we're the date window is very small, but the watch looks. Oh, I have to go all the way forward to the 6th of January, because that's when I'm doing this video, and my break isn't working today. But what better to do on a break from work other than to unbox a watch. Pretty cool. As you can see, we have on the outer bezel or inner bezel minute track, 5, 10, actually minute numerals, but the track is on the inside of the dial. And as you can see, it's a bit darker. That's the Eco Drive sun sensors that they read the sun, and you can see the ticking on the 6 o'clock. That's the running seconds. So let's see the chronograph. Pushing is good. Haptic gives a nice feeling. Don't know why the camera is not working properly today. This is just a provisional setup until I get my house in order and set up the tables and everything. So let's see the dimensions of the watch. My God, that hurt. So maybe I'll keep the dimensions for the first impressions watch now. I'll just show it to you guys now also. So it's 41.5 in diameter, lug to lug, which is quite good because it's only 47, and you have a thickness of 12 millimeters. The bracelet, and as you all know, Citizen is one of these companies that likes to sell their own bracelets. So as we can see, I think it's a 19. It's a 19 millimeter lug width. I think this caliber inside can sit up to 210 days of power reserve, and has a total weight with the bracelet of 128 grams. Definitely a cool Eco Drive. Don't know why the camera is. Let me maybe put the camera a bit near to the watch. And if you have any suggestions at any time, please leave them in the comment section. And because I'm always open to suggestions. If you see something that I could improve, also please in the comment. As we all know, we all grow and improve by having discussions and critique, and of course everything is done here for fun. For me, it's I'm not doing this as a job, and even as you can see from the videos I do, I try to keep it as simple as possible, as short as possible, because I know everybody's time is precious. By the way, the reference number is CA7040-85. So that's the reference number of this watch. I'll definitely put it on a strap and wear it today. I have another watch to unbox from Amazon. I think I'll keep it. I'll keep this one today and wear it on, so I can unbox the second one. The second one is also 150 euros, affordable watch, but not a Citizen, not an Eco Drive, actually an automatic, with a Citizen movement, with a Miyota movement. So it would be interesting to see which one of the two will I keep, or even if I'll keep any of the two. I really like the blue of this one. I really need to put it on a strap to really fully test it. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, everyone. I hope you found this video interesting. If you did, please do leave a comment, hit the like button, also subscribe. It does help the channel. We're almost at 1,000 subscribers, and at 1,000 subscribers I promised I would be upgrading all the equipment I use, and even getting higher prices watches to review on the channel. So keep your eyes open. If you share it with your friends, that would be also very helpful. Anyways, thank you so much for watching, and have a great one. Bye bye.